guys, it's Joselle and welcome back to my channel. First of all, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. It's right down below. Also, please like this video. Liking the video helps my channel grow, so help me out a little bit. Like this video. And anyway, let's get into it. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my perm rod set. Perm rods are definitely my favorite style. I love them so much. I would do them every week if I could. They just look super cute and it's really easy. So I want to show you guys how I get this look. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so here's my hair freshly washed right out the shower. Definitely do this on freshly washed hair. So what you're going to need is a wrapping foam of choice. I'm using the Lotta Body wrapping foam. Then a detangler of choice. I'm using this brush. Spray bottle, of course. And then last but not least, your perm rods. I have two different kinds. So what I'm doing first is just sectioning off the back of my hair really quickly. I do not care if it's perfect. It does not matter at all. So just section it to the best of your ability. Now I'm taking one little medium-sized section on the side and then tying the rest away. Now I'm going to just lightly spray my hair with water and then take about 2 pumps of the wrapping mousse and then put it all over my hair. Once I've done that, I'm going to take my brush to detangle really quickly and then also detangle a little bit with my fingers. So for the back, I decided to use these lighter colored ones. And so how I'm wrapping my hair is I'm taking my hair and I'm wrapping it around the perm rod and then twisting it every so often. So I'm going to wrap and then twist, wrap and then twist, and that's it. On to the next section, again spray with water, take 2 pumps of the wrapping mousse or wrapping foam, put it onto the hair, detangle, smooth the hair down, and then again take the hair and wrap it around the perm rod and then twist. Wrap it around the perm rod and twist. And do that all the way to the top of the hair. Then clip it in place. So because the curls in the back of my head are a bit looser than the rest of my hair, I decided to use the smaller perm rods just so that the back of my hair will be a bit tighter than the rest of my hair, and that's just how I like to do it. For the next row, I decided to alternate my colors. So I did the light color, then the darker color, then the light color, and the darker color, and so on and so forth. And I did that basically for the rest of my head, just to kind of give it some variety. It doesn't really matter that much. Guys, look at my skin. What's it giving? But anyway, I finished the rest of my hair. This is me in the morning. I wrapped my hair with a silk scarf and a bonnet. Here's a little 360 of my hair. And y'all, look at how bouncy my curls are. I don't like to take up the perm rods all at once, so I want to make sure that I don't forget to split any sections, so I just take a few at a time. When you're separating each curl, make sure that you're separating where the hair naturally wants to separate. If you just separate it anyhow, it will cause extra frizz that you don't really need, and we don't really care about frizz, but of course you want to avoid it if you can. And as you can see, that one section, it was a little bit stuck, so make sure you're being careful not to snag on your hair. Also, I don't use any oils to like help take out the hair. I don't use oils like at all because I do not think they do anything, and I think they're just not good for your hair. So I don't use no oils, just use my raw hands, and my hair is fine. So this section got a little bit wet when I was washing my face in the morning, so it's gonna be a bit frizzy, but honestly, frizz is not a big deal. We do not care about frizz. Of course, it's not ideal for this style, but it's whatever. And so it was time for us to go to church, so I had to hurry up really fast. So I was zooming, y'all. I was zooming and zooming and zooming to try to finish taking out all of these perm rods. But once I'm done, I'm just going to take this comb and kind of use it to pick out my hair. And making sure to only pick at the roots. You don't want to comb out the curls. And this is me in the car after church. It looks so good. And I just love this so much. But honestly, I love this look. It is a little bit frizzy, but that's just how life is. But it's still absolutely beautiful and stunning. And I just love perm rods so much. It's just so beautiful. We love to see it. So this is the finished look, my finished hair. Honestly, perm rods have become my favorite style. I just love it so much. I love how perfectly my bangs fall. I just love how it looks on me so much. For me, perm rods will last about 3 days. By day 4 is kind of when I start doing some updos and stuff like that, and I get ready to wash my hair again. But it kind of looks like this for about 3 days, and I like it. It just feels so light and fluffy. I don't feel like my hair is weighed down. Like I love it. But anyway, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed that video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel right down below. Comment down below what everyone comments down below. Follow me on all my social medias, and see you in my next one. Bye.